Welcome back, my dear students. In the last session, we have finished part 3 of chapter number 9, Algebraic Expressions and Identities. Today, let us learn part 4 of chapter number 9. Exercise 9.5. In the last session, we have finished Roman number 2. Now, let's try Roman number 4. Exercise 9.5. Question number 1, Roman number 4. 3a minus 1 by 2 into 3a minus 1 by 2. To solve this question, let us remind the identities we have learned before. Standard identities. Number 1, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Identity 2, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. Identity 3, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Identity 4, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b whole x plus a b. Now, to solve this Roman number 4, we have to use identity 2. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. Okay, now let's see and let's try to solve this question. Solution: 3a minus 1 by 2 into 3a minus 1 by 2. Now let us apply identity number 2. So 3a whole square minus 2 times of 3a into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square. So we are using identity number 2, this a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. Now we are getting this. Next steps: 3 square a square. If we leave this bracket, then 3 have square, a also will have square. Now this 2 and this 2 can cancel. 3a minus sign 3a plus 1 by 2 square means 1 square 2 square. 3 square is 3 into 3, that is 9. After that, a square minus 3a plus 1 square is 1 into 1, that is 1. 2 square is 4, and this is the answer. I hope you can understand that. Next, let's try Roman number 9. X by 2 plus 3y by 4 into x by 2 plus 3y by 4. Okay, let's try this. Here I skip one step, so please let me correct it. Question number 4, solution: 3a minus 1 by 2, 3a minus 1 by 2. If we multiply these two numbers are same, so 3a minus 1 by 2 whole square. Then using identity 2, then 3a square minus twice 3a into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square. 2 are cancelled. Then 3 square a square minus 2 are cancelled. 3 into 1 is 3a plus 1 square 2 square. 3 square is 3 into 3, that is 9a square minus 3a plus 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. Okay, like this. Last time I skipped this step, so we need to write this step also. 3a minus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, then now next question, Roman number 9. Now solution: x by 2 plus 3y by 4 into x by 2 plus 3y by 4. Now we have to multiply these two. Since these two numbers are same, so if we multiply these two, we can keep square. 3y by 4 whole square. Understand or not? Then next steps. Then here we have to use identity number 1, a plus b whole square. If we use that identity, we can write as x by 2 whole square plus 2 times of x by 2 into 3y by 4. 3y by 4 plus sign 3y by 4 whole square. 3y by 4 whole square, and we are using identity number 1, that is this one. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Next is x square, then 2 square, plus sign, this 2 and this 2 are cancel. 4 in the denominator, 3 into xy is 3xy, plus 3y whole square, 4 square, like this. Understand or not? Next is x square, 2 square is 2 into 2, that is 4, plus 3xy, 4. Next is 3 square, that is 9, y square, 4 square is 4 into 4, that is 16. Here, this is the answer. Gyan tayo ko siya. Matang question mo yang si. Now, let's try question number 2. Use the identity x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b whole x plus ab to find the following products. Let's try Roman number 2. 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 1. Okay. Here, Roman number 2, 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 1. Now solution. Let's write this. 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 1. Here the question says that we have to find out this value by using this identity. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x squared plus a plus b whole x plus a plus b. We have to use this identity. Now let's try. So here is x squared. So here is 4x. 4x whole square plus a plus b. So 4x is a and b is 5. I don't know. Here a is this, b is this. So this a means here 5 and b means here 1. This is a, this is b. So this must be 5 plus 1. So here a means 5 and b means this one. After that x means 4x plus ab means 5 into 1. 5 into 1. Okay, now next steps. 4 square. After that x square, we are leaving this bracket and we are putting 4 square x square plus 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 into 4x plus 5 into 1 is 5. 4 square is 4 times 4, that is 16. X square plus 6 4 times is 24. X plus 5, and this is the answer. I hope you can understand this. Now let's try Roman number 3. Roman number 3. 4x minus 5 into 4x minus 1. Here solution. Next. Here we see that this is minus and this also minus. According to this identity, this is plus and this also plus. X plus a, x plus b. This plus and this also plus. But here there is minus and here is also minus sign. So first we have to convert this minus into plus. So we can write this given question like this. 4x, since in the identity there is plus sign, so put plus sign, and this minus 5 you can keep in the bracket like this. After that 4x, again plus sign, this minus 1 you can keep in the bracket like this. Now this becomes x plus a, x plus b like this. X plus a, x plus b. Then next steps. Now by using the identity we can write as like that. 4x whole square plus sign, this is a plus this is b after that x 4x. a plus b whole x, this a plus b whole x, then plus ab. So plus a is minus 5 and b is minus 1. Understand or not? Then next steps. 4 square is 4 times 4, that is 16 x square, then plus sign, this is minus 5, leave the bracket, plus into minus is minus 1, then 4x, plus sign, minus 5 into minus 1, minus into minus is plus, 5 one time is 5, we will get now 5. 16 x square plus minus 5 minus 1 is, since the sign are same, we have to add together. If we are add together, then we are getting minus 6. 4x plus 5. Then next steps. 16x square plus into minus is minus 6. 4 times is 24. X plus 5, and this is the answer. See, gyan tarani ko. Okay, then let's do another question. Let's try another question. Let's try this question, Roman number 6. 2a square plus 9 into 2a square plus 5. Now solution. Here is plus, here is plus. So let us apply the identity. This identity. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b whole x plus a plus b, this identity. So 2a square whole square, then plus sign, this is a plus this is b, after that x means this 2a square, plus sign a into b means 9 into 5. Understand or not? Then next, so if we leave this bracket, this part 2, we have to keep on this 2 again, like this, 2 square, after that a square whole square, like this. Then 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5 is 14 into this 2a square plus 9, 5 times is 45. Then next, 2 square is 2 into 2, that is 4. A 2 times 2 is 4, a power 4 plus 14 into 2 is 28, a square plus 45, and this is the answer. Gyantarani ko. Now let's try question number 3. Find the following square by using the identities. Let's try Roman number 2. So to solve this question, we have to use identities, and let's try to find out this value. Solution: xy plus 3z whole square, and now we have to apply identity. So since this is plus sign, we have to use this identity number 1, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. So xy whole square plus 2 times of, we'll write this xy, after that 3z plus 3z whole square. Then if we leave this bracket, this part 2 we have to keep on x also, and this part 2 we have to keep on y also. That means xy square plus 2 into 3 is 6. X into y into z is xyz. xyz plus 3 square, then z square. X square y square. X square y square plus 6xyz plus 3 square is 3 into 3, that is 9 z square. Here this is the answer. See, bhap tarani ko yari ko. Mathang question mo yang si. Let's try this Roman number 6. 2xy plus 5y whole square. Now solution: 2xy plus 5y whole square. Now let's apply the identity. 2xy, writing this whole square, plus 2 times of 2xy into this 5y plus 5y whole square. Now 2 square is 2 into 2, that is 4, x square y square plus sign 2 into 2 is 4, 4 part time is 20, so 20 x y into y is here power 1, here power 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, so y square plus 5 square is 5 into 5, that is 25, then y square. Here this is the answer. Now let's start question number 4. Simplify Roman number 1, a square minus b square whole square. Okay, let's try this Roman number 1. So now solution, a square minus b square whole square. Here we have to use identity number 2. This is the identity we have to apply. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. So a square minus 2 times of this into this plus, again we have to write on this whole square. If we leave this bracket, this power 2 and this power 2 will multiply. 2 times 2 is 4, so a power 4 minus 2. A square into b square is a square b square plus b. If we leave this bracket, 2 into 2 is 4, so b power 4, and this is the answer. Gyan tariko se. Now let's write this Roman number 4. 4m plus 5n whole square plus 5m plus 4n whole square. Now solution. 4m plus 5n whole square plus 5m plus 4n whole square. Now next steps. Let us suppose that this is a, this is b. Now this is a plus b whole square. Let us use identity. 4m square plus 2 times of 4m into 5n plus 5n whole square plus, here also we have to use identity, a plus b whole square. Now 5m whole square plus 2 times of this number 5m into this number 4n plus 4n whole square. Now next steps. 4 square is 4 times 4, that is 16 m square. Let us multiply this. 2 into 5 is 10, 10 into 4 is 40, so 40 mn plus sign 5 square is 5 into 5, that is 25 n square plus 5 square is again 25 m square plus 2 into 5 is 10, 10 into 4 is 40, 40 m into n is mn plus 4 square is 4 into 4, that is 16 n square. Next. Now let us group together the like terms. So this and these two are like term. 16 m square plus 25 m square. Here is mn, here is mn. So these two are like terms. So let's group these two together. Plus sign 40 mn, then this plus 40 mn. Next is this and these are like terms. So let's write this number and this number together. So plus sign 25 n square, then this plus sign 16 n square. Here these two are like terms, these two are like terms, these two are like terms. This is plus, so let us add together. 6 plus 5 is 11, 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4, so 41 m square plus 40 plus 40 is 80 mn, and these two are also sign are same, so let's add together. 25 plus 16, that is 41 n square, and this is the answer. See, dhyan tareko. Roman number 6, AB plus BC whole square minus twice AB square C. Now let's write this. Solution: AB plus BC whole square minus twice AB square C. Next steps. Here let us apply identity number 1, A plus B whole square. So if we use that identity, we can write as AB whole square plus 2 times of AB into BC plus BC whole square, then minus 2 times of A B square C. Now next steps. If we leave this bracket, then we can write A square B square plus, let's multiply this 2 first. Next is A, B into B is here power 1, here power 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, so B power 2, after that C. Plus sign, leave the bracket, B square, then C square minus this, twice A B square C. You see these numbers are same number, 2AB square C, 2AB square C, but this is minus, this is plus. The sign are different. So if we subtract these two, then we can cancel these two. Then we are getting this, A square B square, then this plus B square C square, and this is the answer. Now let's try question number 5. So that Roman number 2, 9p minus 5q whole square plus 180pq is equal to 9p plus 5q whole square. Here we are going to show that this is equal to this. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. So we are going to show that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now solution. So let's start from this left hand side. We know left hand side is equal to, now we have to write down this, 9p minus 5q whole square plus 180pq. Now let us simplify this. Here let us use identity A minus B whole square. Then we can write as 9p whole square minus 2 times of, then this will come 9p into, after that this 5q. Next is plus sign, again this 5q whole square. We are writing this by using identity number 2. Plus sign, then this 180pq. Then next, 9 square is 9 times 9, that is 81p square. Let us multiply this. 2 5 times is 10. 10 into 9 is 90 pq. Plus sign, it is better to keep this 9p whole square as same. So this number let's keep in the same way what we are writing here, 9p whole square. So let's make this correction. So 9p whole square like this. Then plus 5q whole square, then we are writing this 180pq. You see these two are like terms, pq, pq, but this is minus, this is plus, sign are different, so we have to subtract this. First let's write this 9p whole square, then this and this are, since this is plus, this minus, we are subtracting these two. 180 minus 90 is, we will get 90 pq. This 90, this 180, 180 is bigger, so bigger sign is plus sign. Next is plus 5q whole square. Then write this 9p whole square plus this 90 pq, we can write as like that. 2 into 9p into 5q. If we multiply this, we will get 90 pq plus 5q whole square. We are writing like this because of to apply identity number 1, A plus B whole square. So let us suppose this is A square plus twice, this number is here, this number is here, this is A, this is B. A square plus twice AB plus B square. If we use the identity, then we can write this as 9p plus 5q whole square, and this is equal to this. That means this is equal to right hand side. So therefore left hand side is this. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So hence verify. Hence verify. So here this Roman number 2 is over. Next, let's try Roman number 3. Roman number 3. Solution. We know we are taking now left hand side. Left hand side is this 4 by 3m minus 3 by 4n whole square plus 2mn. Now next steps. If we use the identity a minus b whole square, we can write this as 4 by 3m whole square minus 2 times of this number 4 by 3m into this number 3 by 4n plus again this number 3 by 4n whole square. After that we have to write down this 2mn. Now next steps. 4 square is 4 times 4, that is 16. 3 square is 3 into 3, that is 9. After that m square. This 4 and this 4 can cancel. This 3 and this 3 can cancel. Then this minus sign 2 m into n is mn. Plus sign 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. After that n square. Plus 2mn. This number and these numbers are same number, but this is minus, this is plus. If we subtract, these two will be 0. So cancel these two. Then we are getting 16 by 9 m square plus 9 by 16 n square, and we see that this is equal to this 16 by 9 m square plus 9 by 16 n square. This is right hand side. So this is equal to right hand side. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. So here we have to write down hence verify. See, yarne ko bhab tare ko. Now let's try question number 6. Using identities, evaluate Roman number 1 71 square, Roman number 2 99 square, Roman number 3 102 square. Actually these questions are same. So let's try Roman number 2 99 square. Now solution. 99 square, we have to use identity. So to use identity, this 99 let's write as 100 minus 1, because 100 minus 1 is 99. Then here is part 2, so we have to keep that part 2 here. This is the identity number 2, a minus b whole square. Let us use that identity. A square minus 2 times of ab plus b square. We are writing like this. 100 square is 10,000. 200 is 200 plus 1 square is 1. Let's do this plus first. 10,000 plus 1 first. 10,000 plus 1, after that minus 200. 10,000 plus 1 is 10,001 minus 200. Now let us subtract these two. Minus 200. 1089, we are getting this. So if we subtract these two from here, we are getting 9,801, and this is the answer. Next, let's try Roman number 6. 297 into 303. Roman number 6 solution. 297 into 303. 297 we can write as 300 minus 3. This 303 we can write as 300 plus 3. This is a minus b, this is a plus b, and this identity is a square minus b square. Since a minus b into a plus b, this identity is a square minus b square. We are using this identity. Then 300 square is 3 into 3 is 9. Then 4 zeros will come. Minus 3 square is 9. Let us subtract this. 9, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. 90,000 minus 9. 1999. We are getting this 9991, and this is the answer. Here from this 9 we have to subtract 1, then 8, and here 8, like this. Yariko gyan tarni ko. Now let's try Roman number 7. Question number 7. Using a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, find Roman number 1, 51 square minus 49 square. Now solution. Copy the question. 51 square minus 49 square. We have to use this identity. So here is a plus b. So a is 51, b is 49. Here a minus b. A is 51, b is 49. We are writing a plus b into a minus b like that. A plus b, a minus b. 51 plus 49. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 carry. 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 1 is 10. 100. Into 51 minus 49. 49, 50, 51, 2. If 2 multiply this, we are getting 200, and this is the answer. See, baptare ko. Dudi mathang amu yang si. Next, let's try Roman number 4. 12.1 square minus 7.9 square. Now solution. 12.1 square minus 7.9 square. We have to use this identity. So a plus b. Next is a minus b. Next steps. This is plus. Let us add these two. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 carry. 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 1 is 10. Again 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we are getting 20.0 into, this is minus, so let us subtract. 12.1 minus 7.9. 9, 10, 11, here 2. Then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 4. 4.2 is getting. So 4.2. 4.2. This is multiply, so let us multiply these two. 4.2, let us multiply by 20.0. 0.0 have no value, so 0.0 leave it. Multiply by 20. 0 2 times is 0, 0 4 times is 0, 2 2 times is 4, 2 4 times is 8. So 840. Here is 1 decimal point. So if we put the decimal point, then it will come here. Then we are getting 84.0 have no value, so leave 0.0, and this is the answer. See, yari ko gyan tarani ko. Now let's try question number 8. Using x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. We have to use this identity, and we have to find Roman number 1, 103 into 104. Now solution. 103 into 104. We have to use this identity. So 103, let's write as 100 plus 3. 104, let us write as 100 plus 4. Understand? Then next, we have to use this identity. Here is x square, so here x is 100. So 100 square plus, this is ab, this is a, this is b. So a is 3, b is 4. Next is x, x is 100 plus ab means 3 into 4. 3 into 4. Understand or not? 100 square is 10,000 plus 3 plus 4 is 7 into 100. plus 3 times is 12. 10,000 plus 7 into 100 is 700 plus 12. Now let us add together. So 71201 will get 10,712, and this is the answer. See, now Roman number 4, 9.7 into 9.8. Solution. 9.7 into 9.8. We have to use this identity. So 9.7 we can write as 9 plus 0.7. If we add together, we will get 9.7 into 9.8. We can write as 9 plus 0.8. If we add these two together, we will get 9.8. We're writing these numbers in this form: x plus a into x plus b. Next is, if we apply this, x squared plus a plus b into x plus ab. So 9 square, then plus sign. Here a plus b means here 0.7 and 0.8. 0.7 plus 0.8. Then next is x. So here x is 9. So 9. Then next is plus sign AB plus A is 0.7 and B is 0.8. Understand or not? Now next steps. 9 squared is 9 times 9, that is 81. Plus, now this is plus sign. If we add together this 7 plus 8 is 15. So 1.5, then this number 9 plus 7 8 times is 56. Here is 1 decimal place, here is 1 decimal place, all together 2 decimal place. That means it will be like this, 0.56. Next, 81 plus this 9, let us multiply this 1.5. 9 5 times is 45, 9 1 times is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We are getting this. Then plus this, 0.56. Now this is plus sign, this is also plus sign. Let us add these numbers. 81 plus 13.5, then plus 0.56. Here 6. 5 plus 5 is 10, so 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5. 8 plus 1 is 9. So we are getting 95.06. So here is point, here is decimal point, so point will come here. So 95.06, and this is the answer. I hope you can understand that. So here, chapter number 9, algebraic expressions and identities are over. Okay, for today all of you, thank you.